In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Gmail password. This walkthrough is designed to help you find a Gmail password you previously saved in your web browser's built-in password manager. Please only do this on your own device and for your own account and never share passwords with anyone. Start by opening your web browser on your computer. Most modern browsers like Chrome or Edge have a quick menu in the top right corner represented by three vertical dots. Click those three dots to open the main menu. From here, you'll usually go into Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Passwords and Autofill. Depending on your browser, this may appear as Autofill and Passwords or something very similar, but it means the same thing. It's where your saved logins live. Next, open the Password Manager. This is the dashboard that lists the websites and apps for which your browser has stored usernames and passwords. It might be branded as your browser's password manager, and if you're signed into the browser, it may also sync with your account so your passwords show up across your devices. If you don't see any entries, it could mean you never saved passwords in this browser, or you're not signed into the same profile that originally saved them. Inside the Password Manager, use the search bar or scroll to find your Gmail entry. Look for Gmail, mail.google.com, or accounts.google.com. If you have more than one Gmail account saved, pick the one that matches the email address you need. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct entry, especially if you see multiple similar listings. To view the saved password, select the Gmail entry and click the option to reveal it, often shown as an eye icon. For security, your computer may ask you to authenticate first with your device password, PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. This is normal and helps keep your information safe. Once verified, the password will appear. You can copy it if you need to paste it elsewhere, but be careful where you store it. When you're done, hide it again or close the window to prevent anyone nearby from seeing it. If you don't find a Gmail entry or the password field is blank, it likely wasn't saved in this browser profile. In that case, you may need to try another browser you've used before, sign into the correct profile, or, if necessary, reset your Gmail password directly through Google. That's it. You've learned how to open your browser, navigate to passwords and autofill, launch the password manager, locate your Gmail entry, and safely view the saved password. Keep your device secure and consider using a trusted password manager to organize and protect all your logins.